It is currently 3 o'clock in the morning, and that means we have a flight to catch. Look at the state of them. Oh. We're on our way to Luton Airport because we're going to Scotland for the second time, even though we said that, or I said I wasn't going to go again. But yeah, other than that, I enjoyed it. Am I going to be doing it again? No, I'm definitely not going to be doing it again. This time Jono is coming. Hello. And Fraser in the back, if you can see him. Hello. There he is. Hey. And it is now, what's the time? It's 4:39. Going to be there in 59 minutes, and then the flight leaves at 8:15. Should be in Scotland for like 10 o'clock. Then we have some shopping to do. Go get some ice poles, and that's it. So next stop is the airport lounge. Oh yeah, we're off. Oh no, it's Lomond, wasn't it? Or Lomond? What was it? What was it? Lomond?
I thought it was Loch Lomond.
Fraser, you holding up alright?
Yeah.
Good.
Look at that beast.
You are. Can we see the view, or is it just me? Oh, Fraser, look, you can have that little island.
Oh yeah. That's from fucking Lord of the Rings.
No, I think it's from Scotland.
No, Harry Potter. Sorry. Dumbledore's one's over there.
Oh, Jesus Christ! What are you doing?
Sorry. Dumbledore.
How's the car, Scott?
Car's lovely. It's got self-drive. It's brilliant. Oh, these turns are a bit tight. That's a cool island, isn't it? Get little boats there. Live on it. Homeless. What more do you need? Where are we stopping? Falls of Fralick. It's not far, is it? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. There we go. Ooh. Don't you really want to go in there? It looks pleasing. It looks fresh. It looks really fresh. Look at that. What a view. Amazing. Here they come. Hey. I think we get closer. What do we think? Good?
Yeah, it's good. I just wish it was wearing different shoes.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Right, we are just having a quick, so we arrived at Ben Nevis. We're just having a quick mooch around so that we can get our bearings. So if you can see all the way in the distance, that one there is where we're going. And they're scared.
So have you played that game?
Yeah.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah. Could we go? Ready, Jono?
This not needed.
No, come on. That's a spare hat.
So, what about...
Yes, I've got the room key. Is it? Yeah. Put my GoPro light on. Woo!
I'm excited.
Fraser, you feeling good?
Yeah, I'm feeling.
Oh yeah. It's feeling fresh. 3 degrees. Wait, is it 3 or -3?
It's 3, but it's getting warmer today. It's gonna. The highest it reaches is 7, but that's at. No, that's.
Do you know when we're
that's
there?
a lie.
That's here, not Ben Nevis as well.
I need to make sure this bag sits on my back properly. I haven't just the straps.
Oh
so.
yeah, I haven't done the straps either.
Yeah. Do you have it like really tight to your back or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to start grabbing them? Do you want your gloves, by the way? Do you want your gloves?
Right, let's go.
Wait, I'm trying to get my hand through the rope, but my gloves are.
7 AM start. Let's fucking do this. Oh, someone is coming. They might just be on a half walk though. Good. Fraser.
Suck this piss just like you should.
My back. The bridge.
What's gonna happen
The bridge.
is we're walking on the easy part, and then when it gets to the ice, I'm gonna have to add like 25 kilos to my bag, and then you're gonna go, oh, this is nice.
Every time Scott says something creepy, I always think it's so normal.
Hey guys, back on Scott's vlogs. There we go. How are you all feeling?
Yeah, good.
No, I'm not.
Scott, I can't
I'm not
believe you said you
enjoying
didn't
this.
wanna do this
We're not even halfway yet.
Look at the views though. Come here. Come here and get in the view. Get in this fucking. So I can take a picture of this.
Oh wait. Oh. Oh.
Where are you going?
I'm going down here.
All right, midget. Hey.
Hey.
Alright, more updates coming soon. Officially halfway. Yeah.
I keep calling over.
We're at the halfway lock. And it's the wind's picked up. We got to go up there, up this ridge to the top. We're feeling good. The views are amazing. Feeling good. Feeling good. Hang on, we'll go check in on Jono. Just checking in.
I was just doing a quick video for myself. Hello! It's a bit cold.
It's very windy.
How you doing?
Alright. More updates going up the top. Everyone's nice and getting cold now. And we're gonna put the spikes on the shoes. Yeah. Yes, boys. Right, here we go. A little bit. Right. Where are we now? We're about 3/4 way up.
3/4 of the way up, yeah.
It's very snowy. It's very snowy.
We're quite warm though. We're still warm.
Yeah, we're warm-ish.
Yeah.
It's very snowy, but
Very.
the views are amazing. We got some rain coming in. We're a bit worried, aren't we, Fraser?
We're going against the wind.
Fraser thinks we seem to going to get up there about 12.
I'm seeing stars.
Fraser seeing stars. We may have a cardiac arrest on our hands.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty good so far. John, are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's good. It's quite easy actually.
We decided we're going to roly pole
Easy.
down the hill.
Easy.
So
Yeah, we're gonna sled all the way down, a base camp. Oh, we're gonna get lapped. Quick, boys, we need to move.
Oh,
Let's go.
oh, no.
They're chasing us.
Oh. Feeling the summit now. 100 meters to go, something like that. Everyone nice and cold?
Yeah.
Easing. Oh, we're on the GoPro mics now, so hopefully it sounds alright there. Woo! Ready to the top? Everyone, please get in it. Yeah. Can't see anything?
Man, it feels amazing.
But we're here.
It's lovely.
It's amazing.
Now we've pulled down.
Yeah, we're gonna do something really silly in a minute. Take one moment.
Holding, I don't know. I don't know for a while. Oh, I can feel that. Put the gloves on, gloves on, gloves on. Gloves on. Gloves on. Wait, why the fuck are you so slow? Gloves. Why are you going so slow?
Gloves are cold. I can't get one. They can Where's my fucking hat?
Why is your stuff?
I can't get my gloves. I'm panicking.
Ready?
Sort of.
Time to the push-ups. Right. Here we go.
We do more.
Right, we're gonna head back down the mountain. I've got to do a mystery box video for TikTok, and then we're gonna head back down the mountain. Successful mission.